Hello, this is my new project, the White Noise. It is a book and it is also a sculpture. It is a conceptual work and I'm going to unpack the piece now. It's my first unpacking video. Yes, let's unpack. I'm also curious. So here it is. It's the back side. It's the front, and it is a completely white book, and it is also a completely white sculpture. It is a cuboid, a simple white rectangular block of made of paper. And the dimensions of the sculpture are 9.88 centimeters in the length and 2.9 centimeters in the height and 3.9 centimeters in the width. And the only identification is the ISBN code printed on the back. The code is 9783200099029. And with this project I am once again focusing on the theme of original and copy in the and you can see the book is totally white. There is nothing inside. The book is available in an unlimited and limited version. If you order the unlimited version, the unlimited edition, you get the book as it is here, as you can see it. And if you order the limited edition, you become the owner of a version of a limited edition of 50 books. In this version, this limited version is signed and dated, includes my fingerprint and an edition number. And if you want to order a piece, please send me an email, or you can also text me on Instagram. Thank you very much.